Assalamu alaikum. I am physics teacher Miss Aneela Laghari from Hope Higher Secondary School and College.
Today we will discuss wave characteristics and simple harmonic motion. What is wavelength? It is simply the length of one complete wave cycle. Another definition is it is the distance from crest to crest or from trough to trough. It's called a wavelength. Its SI unit is meter. Frequency number of waves pass through a point in 1 second. Unit of frequency is hertz. Time period time required to complete one wave cycle. Time period is the reciprocal of frequency. Wave speed for a wave, speed is the distance traveled by a particular point on the wave in the given interval of time. Next topic is periodic motion. A motion that repeats itself after equal intervals of time is known as periodic motion. For examples, a vibrating turning fork, a swing in motion, the earth in its orbit around the sun, a bouncing ball, etc. Simple harmonic motion. A simple harmonic motion is a special case of periodic motion. Simple harmonic motion is a to and fro oscillatory or vibratory motion in which acceleration of body is directly proportional to displacement of body from mean position. Another definition of simple harmonic motion is a motion in which the restoring force is directly proportional to displacement of the body from its mean position is known as simple harmonic motion. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe YouTube channel.